been told to love myself.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm all rugged up and ready to go to the gym to do a quick workout. However, upon my return, my biggest challenge today is to try and put highlights in my hair. You saw my hair dye tutorial last week where I went a little bit darker, but the challenge for me today is to see if I can successfully put blonde highlight foils in my hair. So without further ado, if you want to see whether I make this or break this, keep watching. So for this experiment or tutorial, you're going to need blonde highlighter bleach, some developer at 20 vol, the actual foils, a plastic bowl and a brush. So let's get started. So I'm in the bathroom and I'm just about to, I need to comb my hair down and get this all ready for highlighting. Oh my God, look at this. What the hell is this? Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna part the hair.
Telling me you want me bad, but no, it's all an act. Something you say to get you away, keep talking all your shit. You say you got it all, but then you start to fall down. You say no fair, I never cared, keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me.
So in 20 minutes I'll hop into the shower and rinse it off, and then we'll see what I've done. Fingers crossed. So my 20 minutes is up, so now I'm going to hit the shower and hopefully it'll come out the way I wanted. And now the unveiling. All of these aluminium pieces off. So I'm happy with the result. I rose to the challenge and I successfully put highlights in my hair. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. I hope you enjoyed watching me do it yourself, blonde highlights without having to go to a hair salon. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.